Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Are you ready to take your career to the next level? Well, buckle up, because today we're discussing the AI certification roadmap for 2027. That's right, we're looking into the future of AI and what skills you need to be a top player in the industry. But first, let's talk about why AI certification is important. With the rapid advancement of technology, AI is becoming an integral part of almost every industry. From healthcare to finance, AI is revolutionizing the way we work and live. And with the demand for AI professionals on the rise, having the right certifications will give you a competitive edge and open up endless opportunities. So, what does the AI certification roadmap for 2027 look like? Well, the key insight is that the demand for AI professionals with specialized skills will continue to grow. According to a report by IBM, the demand for AI professionals will increase by 14% every year until 2025. This means that by 2027, the job market will be flooded with AI-related roles. But here's the catch. These roles will require specific skills and certifications. First and foremost, having a strong foundation in programming languages such as Python, R, and Java will be crucial. These languages are the building blocks of AI, and having a deep understanding of them will be highly valued by employers. Additionally, certifications in machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning will also be in high demand. These are the skills that will set you apart from the competition and make you a valuable asset to any company. Now, you might be thinking, but won't AI eventually replace human jobs? The truth is, AI will create new job opportunities and enhance existing ones. It will automate mundane tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative work. And with the right certifications, you can become a leader in this field and shape the future of AI. So, if you're looking to future-proof your career, now is the time to start investing in AI certifications. And here's where Fastlane comes in. We offer a wide range of AI training courses that are designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to excel in this field. Our expert instructors and hands-on learning approach will ensure that you are job-ready and in demand. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the AI certification roadmap for 2027. And if you're ready to take the next step in your AI journey, head over to our website and enroll in one of our courses today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.